It's written in Portuguese and Chinese, which are the two official languages. Airport. Airporto.
Chiquinha. Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, Airporto de Macau. So this is there's one station after this one, which is the ferry terminal, and we're probably gonna go there and get something to eat in a little bit. They got some food courts down there, so we'll go check it out.
This is airport.
This is airport. So one more station. Kind of waiting for this light to turn green. Meanwhile, there's a train coming in too. Let's see if this train, if we can go while the train is still coming in, or if we have to wait for the train. Could be either way. Oh no, I can go. Okay, so we're coming up on the last stop. There's our train, only one person in the window. It's filming. So, okay. This is also another immigration point too. There's immigration between the ferry terminal and the airport. I guess that's a storage for airplanes, but then closer to the ferry terminal there's an immigration point too. So if you were to try to get a work visa or try to stay in Macau long term, that's where you'd go. And oh, there it is right there. That's the immigration point. And the ferry terminal is right here. This is the last stop, I believe. Cemetery is over there. So okay, I guess we're all gonna go out with everybody else, and maybe some people are going to the ferry terminal, but I'm just gonna get something to eat and then come back. Macau Tower is right there. This is the last stop. So we're gonna jump out of the train station now. So, okay, just let everybody go, and then we're gonna just come over here and film for a second. Okay, so there we go. Macau train station. Oh, there's a lot of people here, so we're going to try to go down this other way. So yeah. So that's it. So that's the Macau train. So tune in and I'll show you the ferry terminal. It'll be a later video. For now, we'll exit.
Chiquinha.